Okay, so to make an annotated tag, we use the -a option for annotated. Otherwise, it's still get tag and then some tag that we're creating. And just like before, it will be based upon the current head commit. Let's do some more significant changes now. Well, let's go make a new file, and we'll just call this new feature.js. And then I'll put some stuff in here that says this is a new feature, not breaking change. And then we'll put some gibberish in here. We'll pretend that this is, some nice new feature, but you don't have to use it. It's just going to be part of a minor release. Okay, so now I'm going to add and commit. So git add new feature, git commit, add new feature. Great, and now I want to create my tag. So git tag, and then I'll do an annotated tag. So -a. And then after that, the name of the tag that I want to create. I think we're on 17. If we're doing a minor release, it will be 1.0, right? We were on 0.3, I believe, 17.0.3. This is now a minor release, not a patch. So there we are. And you'll see that it's going to prompt me in my editor, just like when I do a commit. So it wants me to include a message, additional details if I want to. I can put stuff in here like this is more stuff about my tag. It's an annotated tag. Sure. All right. And then I close out of here. And that finishes the process. I now have that new tag, and we see it down here. That is my new minor release. So that's how we make an annotated tag. Just like with git commit, you can actually use the -m option to do it inline to pass a message directly. You can forgo the opening of the text editor, just like git commit. You still have to pass that in though, so if you use -m, pass in a message between quotes. So how do we view more information about one of those tags, right? We just made this annotated tag. How do I see who made it? How do I see that metadata, the tag message? Well, we use a command called git show, and then the name of the tag. So 17.1.0, this is going to show us the tagger, there I am, Colt, the date. Here's my tag information, right? This is the message I wrote, and then the commit that it refers to. So you can see that right there. So we can also do this for real tags that others have created. Like let's look at 17.0.0, that major release. So we can do git show 17.0.0. So here's the commit that the tag refers to. We can see, bump versions for 17. Dan Abramov, relatively famous developer on the React team, sort of the React guy. And then we get a diff, and this is exactly what happened in that one commit that this tag is referring to, 17.0.0. So that's the basic concept of making an annotated tag. -a, it includes more information. It will prompt you in your text editor for a message. Or you can skip that and do -m with the -a, at which point you need to pass in, inside of quotes, a message directly through the command line, and that will be used as your tagging message, just like with git commit. And then we saw that we can use git show to see more information about a particular tag.